Now to Salt Lake City, shaken by another night of protests. Protesters here chanting Black Lives Matter. Salt Lake City Mayor Aaron Mendenhall issued a new nightly curfew from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. It'll last until next Monday. The governor has also closed the state capitol until Saturday. ABC4's Jerad SLC live in downtown Salt Lake City with more on that curfew and last night's protests. Good morning, Jerad.
Sarah, good morning. Still a heavy police presence in downtown Salt Lake City and right in front of the public safety building after yesterday a large group of protesters came out in what police are calling a peaceful protest over George Floyd's death. Now take a look at this video. Protesters walked from the public safety building to the Capitol. The crowd could be heard chanting, "I can't breathe," reportedly the last words uttered by George Floyd while handcuffed by Minneapolis police. Also, protesters calling on Salt Lake City police officers to join in taking a knee against police brutality. Now, as the riots escalated, Salt Lake City Mayor Aaron Mendenhall enacted a citywide curfew. The mayor says the week-long curfew is from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m., so it's been up for about an hour now, and will last until June 8th. But yesterday, protesters defied that curfew.
It's good that to come out here and see a bunch of people that are willing to support the smallest minority in the state, because the thing that people don't understand is black people can't fight this fight by ourselves, because if we could stop our oppressors, we would have stopped it. So it's really important that all of our allies come together like this for us to finally get some change.
Governor Gary Herbert deployed the National Guard over the weekend to help local law enforcement during these demonstrations. Now again, that curfew just expired here about an hour ago at 6 a.m. It'll go back into place at 8 a.m. Again, officers were calling last night's demonstrations mostly peaceful, but there was some damage to military and police vehicles, but nothing compared to the weekend protests. Reporting live, Jerad SLC, ABC4 News.